Hi guys, this is 2011 Jeep Cherokee. This one has the sump plug bolt is rounded, so you can see all the edges are rounded. This one, the 13 mil bolt. So I'm trying to off this kind of it to turn all the way around. Okay guys, I need for the socket set. This is called for the spiral socket, and we need a 13 mil the socket. This one is a off thread, the left hand side thread. When you put into the bolt, we can turn left, we can remove the bolt. The 13 mil the connector, put in there, and get the hammer. Get the halfway inch breaker bar and can tie it. So you can see that one is removed now. It's very easy to remove the rounded bolt, and you can tap it sideways. So then after, you can remove the nut. So you can see this is the rounded bolt I already removed. You can see how badly that's on gone, and this is the one I got the new bolt, but this one is a 13 mil, but this one is a 16 mil. But no make difference, so because same thread like to the similar one, so right. So I'm going to put this one back in. Good. You have to, after that, clean it. Use with a clean rag. So we already installed the sump bolt. This is the end of the video. So thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one. Thanks.